From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your morning weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
Well, good morning. Happy Tuesday, everybody. It is the last day of the year, New Year's Eve, so we've got the tuxedo jacket on. Why not? You got to dress up a little bit on New Year's Eve. Hey, listen, we've got a storm system on the way here today. It is going to draw in some colder air and then a reinforced shot of colder air expected as we get into the upcoming weekend. So we are trending even colder, and then we need to pay attention to what's going to happen like next week, like January 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th time frame. Of course, we're going to be talking much more about that coming up in the coming days. First things first, cold air, light rain, and light snow is going to be working its way into the area throughout the day today, and also overnight tonight into the day tomorrow. Let's talk about it because as the storm approached yesterday, it helped to boost our temperatures into the 50s and 60s. So we had a very warm day yesterday with a high of 61 degrees in Knoxville. Now, this morning, we've got a couple of light showers hanging out with us. That's about the extent of it so far, but I think that's going to be the general idea throughout the day today. Just some spotty light rain showers moving from southwest to northeast as this whole system swings its way on into the area. But the cold front's going to come through right around noon time frame. The wind is going to pick up. It's going to produce a lot of wind, and it's going to draw in the colder air to help switch this over to snow across the mountains of East Tennessee. As you can clearly see, not a lot of precipitation expected throughout the day today. Less than, like 0.05 of an inch of rain, basically, for most of us. Temperatures this morning started off in the 30s, 40s, and 50s. As we head through the day today, celebrate New Year's Eve. If you have dinner plans here tonight between 5 and 8, we're going to be in the mid to upper 40s. Not too terribly bad. Maybe a couple of spotty light showers, but don't cancel any of those outdoor plans. And as we ring in the new year at midnight, temperatures will be right around 41. So comfortable to be outdoors and probably not much in the way of rain. Let's talk temperatures here for a second as we continue our trend. Again, temperatures, the cold front comes through right around noonish. Then temperatures drop into the 40s into the evening and then 30s and 40s overnight tonight. So still pretty mild, but this cold front's going to produce quite a bit of wind. So we have a high wind warning in effect for the mountains that runs until 7 o'clock here tonight. Winds are going to be gusting to about 65 miles per hour. And here in the valley, the winds are going to be cranking as we get into the lunch hour. Look at your wind gust trend as we head through the day today, where they're going to be cranking here through the morning hours into the early afternoon and then start to weaken a little bit. As we ring in the new year, it's still going to be rather breezy and gusty, especially if you're going to be outdoors in the higher elevations. Here's the storm system at hand. We have some rain and snow attached to it up across the upper Midwest and the Ohio Valley. This is slowly working its way to the south and southeast, and so all this energy slides its way into our area. As it does so, it's going to continue to produce the chance for some light rain showers and snow showers as the colder air comes racing on in. As I said, we're going to get a reinforced shot of even colder air as we get into the weekend. There's Friday evening. That comes shooting down the pipeline, and that's going to produce even chillier temperatures Saturday and also Sunday. Look at these temps. Average highs and lows. Average lows 31, average highs 49. We've got highs and lows on the map here for you. We'll be at 37.55 today. Then we'll drop into the 20s and 30s for lows and 40s for highs as we round out the week. Into the weekend, we're talking Saturday, probably the coldest day, with a temperature of only 20 for a morning low and a high of only 36. But that may not be the coldest day of the season. Stand by. Hold on one second. Let's talk about precip chances, rain chances, precip chances, general idea. Again, a little wave of energy moves through today, again on Friday, and then more potent energy is heading our way Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and that's going to add up to the rainfall. So watch this. As we head through the day today, you can see how the rain's just going to slide its way on through, a little bit of mountain snow showers. When you look at the snowfall potential, I've not changed my snowfall forecast. It does look like it's going to be the classic horseshoe around East Tennessee, so confidence has increased that we are going to continue to see some mountain snow showers and maybe some light snow showers across the Cumberland Plateau. So the general idea, 1 to 2, 1 to 3 inches across the highest peaks of the Smokies. I think that's a general idea. Dusting above 3,000 feet, maybe about an inch or so. Below 1,000 feet, probably a dusting to a few flurries across the foothills mountains of the central mountains, upper East Tennessee, from Mountain City to Irwin. Could see anywhere from a dusting 1 to 2, maybe pockets of 3 inches across the highest peaks. And I think for the Cumberland Plateau, half of an inch or less for sure. Maybe just a dusting. Cumberland Mountains will probably get a little bit more, especially the northwest facing slopes. As I mentioned, the cold air is not over yet. The Climate Prediction Center is predicting below average temperatures all the way through the first 2 weeks of January. And it's January 8th through the 14th that we need to watch closely because it does look like the cold air is going to be in place and temperatures could be trending about 30 degrees below average for this time of the year. Now, like last January, we had the cold air in place and we had a storm system. And that brought us the snow showers that didn't go anywhere for, a week to 2 weeks? Well, yeah, the potential is there again. If we get a storm and this cold air comes racing on in next week, we are talking about the potential for some big-time snow once again. Too far out to tell right now. Watch what you see on social media. Track it every day with the East Tennessee Weather app or online at easttnweather.com. It's an easy, simple, clean, efficient way to get your daily weather information. All right, we sure hope you have a great Tuesday. Happy New Year's Eve, everybody. We sure hope you have a great day. Again, all East Tennessee weather platforms will be updated on New Year's Day. There will not be a Wake Up with Witcher on New Year's Day, but if you want to join us for a live weather update, Wake Up with Witcher broadcasts every day, Monday through Friday anyways, at 7 a.m. on all East Tennessee weather platforms. That does include the app, by the way. All right, have a great day. We'll see you back here soon.